Hello friends, this is going to be a lecture series on outcome-based education. We'll be dealing with a whole lot of things, right from the introduction to the outcome attainment calculations. Every single aspect is going to be covered. And this lecture series is going to be really informative, and we all will have a common platform on which we are going to discuss these things, wherein I'll be coming live on my channel and we can discuss the whole lot of things and bring things to a common platform, and let us try to put in efforts to bring in the standardization in outcome based education. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe. For more related videos, log on to www.dhirendra digital solutions.in. The link is available below.